Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 SM-J530F. Okay, so first we need to open up the settings and we need to connect into Wi-Fi. So go into connections, enable the Wi-Fi and select your network. Then you need to type password to it and connect. If you are connected, go back, scroll all the way down until you find About Phone, click on it, scroll down, click on Software Information, and in here we have our build number. We need to tap on it a few times in a row, just like that, until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back, scroll down, click on Developer Options, make sure that they are enabled, and to unlock the bootloader, select OEM Unlocking. Select it, click on Turn On, and now our bootloader has been unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.